Infinix fans always love to use their smartphones for long without charging, and this is why the battery life is so important to them. The 5000 mAh battery life can last 4 days with intelligent power saving technology, so you can enjoy entertainment all day long without power worries. Ask what this generation loves most about their smartphones. It must be playing videos, watching movies, and playing games, and of course taking pictures. The new Infinix Smart 5 has a 6.6-inch HD Plus vibrant screen that gives you a broader mobile phone experience. Meanwhile, with the 500 nit sunlight display, the screen shows vivid vision no matter what kind of sunlight condition. This also means that your pictures will be excellent with the better screen. Now here's the great news for the selfie lovers. The 8MP front camera features automatic retouching to deliver perfect photos. With selfie